Bonjour, bonjour. Welcome to another video. And today we're going to talk about the IR verbs in French. So I don't know if you remember the video I did about ER verb. So just a quick reminder, we have like three groups. The largest group is ER verb, like parler, to speak, for example. When I say ER, they finish with ER. That's the last two letters. For the IR, as you can see, is IR verb. And the third group is like all the irregular. So now it's RE, but all irregular verb, let's say, all together. So we have like three categories: ER, IR, RE, but RE is like all the weird verb irregulars. So, but today we're gonna focus on IR, which is the second largest group. Those verbs follow a consistent pattern in conjugation, making them easier to learn, like ER verb. So conjugating our verb in the present tense. To conjugate a regular IR verb, follow these steps. Remove IR, ending from infinitive, finir, fin. Add the appropriate ending. So we're gonna learn the ending. Da da da, you have them. We have the example with fini, je finis. So you take off IR, you put IS. Here same. Now for he, she, and we, IT. And then as you can see, for the plural, it's a bit weird. So now we have ils sont, il c'est, is. So je finis, tu finis, il finit, elle finit, on finit, nous finissons, vous finissez, ils finissent, elles finissent. Okay? So there is another way you need to learn that like by heart. There is like no trick, nothing special that you can do. Just learn that. But after you can apply that to all the verb, which is brilliant. But be careful as always. In French language, we got some irregular. So you need to be aware of them. That's what we're gonna see that now. So notice that nous and vous, il, elle form have a double SS. So finissons, finissez, finissent. Keep that in mind. And as you can see, now we have some regular, so finir, je finis mes devoirs, I finish my homework, choisir, elle choisit une robe, réussir, to succeed, nous réussissons à l'examen, grandir, les enfants grandissent vite, rougir, tu rougis quand tu es gêné. See, those are few examples. It's always the same thing. If you learn the ending, you're good to go. But as I say, there is a few regular. So, partir, si je pars, tu pars, il part. Et this one is like nous partons, vous partez, il part. You cannot say like nous partissons, vous partissez, like we just learned. So those three irregular, really keep them in mind. Very important. Partir, dormir, venir. Venir, it's one of the most used verbs, so very important. Je viens, tu viens. Nous venons, vous venez, ils viennent. See, even here it's irregular. So as you can see, those verbs do not follow the standard IR conjugation, so you'll need to memorize them separately. So there is no other way to learn them. As I say, keep that in mind when you learn new things in French. Just make sure there is no irregularity with it. And for the verb is like this. For the ER verb, there is like just a little bit of just about the speaking, the difference, but for IR verb, most of them, they are fine, but as you can see, there is some irregular here. Okay, so I hope it's clear. If you have any question, I'll be happy to help, and I will see you in the next video. I wish you to have a fantastic day. Bye bye.